Hello everyone, this is me Dr. Dolly helping you in knowing about your eyes and vision. Today I'll talk about the pros and cons of spectacles and contact lens. Benefits of glasses are that they can be taken on and off anytime you want. As far the lenses for the glasses are concerned, they have amazing optical quality. Glasses have a complete customizable options, whether you just want a basic frame or if you want some classy of different materials. You can also have bifocals, trifocals or progressive lenses. If we take the example of myopia or short-sightedness, it can be treated in three different ways, that is with spectacles or contact lenses or LASIK. Spectacles are the best because they give a good sight and they also protect the eyes from any injury. But there is a problem with the spectacles. If the power rises above -6 diopter, then the thickness of the lens becomes very obvious. If the power rises above -10 diopter, the quality of the vision experienced by the person is very poor. That is, for LASIK we can do in two ways, that is without braid or with braid. With braid, the problem is that it can be treated up to -6 diopter, but without braid, FDA has approved till -12 diopter, and if the person's power rises above -12 diopter, then the only option is the contact lens. So, what is contact lens? As the name suggests, it is a lens that is in contact with the eye. To use the contact lens, we have to place the lens on the cornea in contact with the cornea, then only we can see properly. Mostly people wear contact lens to correct their sight. They are basically a replacement for the glasses and they help to correct nearsightedness, farsightedness and astigmatism. Advantage of contact lens is that it is available in the wide range of power starting from -0.25 to -20 and even beyond, and it can also be custom made even beyond that. The second advantage is that it is cosmetically very appealing, and the person who observes the person wearing the contact lenses cannot make out that he is wearing any corrective lenses. Another advantage is that it is available in wide range of colors, blue, green, brown, shades of brown, and such a wide array of colors is a good option for models, actors, etc. Then a particular field where contact lenses are extremely useful is in sports, because the sports person find it great difficulty in moving around with the glasses on. So the contact lenses provide a better depth perception and a better eye-hand coordination. Wearing contact lenses also allow you to wear non-prescription sunglasses a lot more easier. Contact lenses also take away some of the motion sickness or some of the distortions that occur when you put the glasses. Because when you wear glasses, the glasses sit about 12 mm in front of the corneal plane, and when you look around through different parts of the lens and shift your eyes around, you are going to look through different parts of the lens that have prismatic effect. This prismatic effect can give a sense of motion or sense of distortion in people who have higher powers or higher degrees of astigmatism. As for contact lenses, as they are in physical contact with the eye, and as you move around the eyes, we look through the same part of the lens, and that does not cause the same amount of the prismatic effect that occurs with the glasses. Another advantage is that with the contact lenses, we need not look through a frame. Now the glasses lens power will not be the same as that with the contact lens. The reason has to do with how the glasses sit in front of our eyes. So, usually the spectacles sit about 12 mm in front of the cornea. So, for people who have higher prescription, we reduce the negative power or add more plus power. The higher the power you have, the higher adjustments you have to do, and it will depend upon how your spectacles sit in front of your eyes. That is, if it is 12 mm in front of the eyes, then it's okay, and it will be different if it sits about 14 to 15 mm. So, it will depend upon how the spectacles sit in front of your eyes. Now for the cost of the contact lenses, if we prefer to have some with higher technologies and which are more comfortable and that are healthier, then we have to pay more. Is that now the disadvantage of contact lens is that it has to be handled as it is a contact lens, and if it is not handled in the proper way, in a hygienic way, then it will cause complications like infections. Now, who can wear contact lenses? Most people can wear contact lenses, but a few who have moderate to severe dry eye or chronic infections will not be able to wear the contact lenses because they will be using frequent eye drops, and it will be very difficult for them to use the eye drops frequently over the contact lens. They have to remove the contact lens and then use the eye drops, and there are very few eye drops that can be used over the contact lens. As for people who have glaucoma, also probably will not be appropriate to use the contact lens because they also have frequent installation or twice a day installation of eye drops. The most dreaded complication of contact lens wear is the infections, and most commonly out of them is the acanthamoeba infections, which is very difficult to treat. When you are planning to use the contact lens for the day, you have to make sure that before using the contact lens you should wash your hands very properly, and we should also keep in mind that we should not use very moisturized soap or scented soaps because the contact lens can absorb the moisture. Also, after washing our hands, we should not use a very fluffy towel because the lint may get in contact with the contact lens. If we are planning to use the eye makeup, then we should always put the contact lenses before doing the eye makeup and then use a branded good eye makeup. And when we plan to remove the makeup, then we should first remove the contact lens and then we should remove the eye makeup. Well, I think that contact lenses are a brilliant alternative to glasses for people who do not want to wear the glasses during their work or going out for parties. A good alternative to LASIK and laser surgery who do not want to go for those surgeries. Having said that, one has to be extremely careful in handling the contact lenses, and he should not go in dusty environment, and if he does so, then he should wear the sunglasses, and if he feels that there is some dust behind the contact lens, then he should never rub the eyes. He should take out the contact lens and then clean it and then put it. A teenager can also use the contact lenses, but in this case the parents should be very cautious and they should be responsible enough to say that their child is responsible enough to take care of the contact lenses regarding the hygiene and maintaining the hygiene. Between the glasses and the contact lens, they are just better alternatives to each other, and they both have their advantages and disadvantages. The choice between the glasses and the contact lens solely depends upon the individual which advantage or disadvantage they want to give more importance to.